Oh, so you got it. Oh, and now since you got your personal package, mosey on to the dank man. Spin your twomp. Go get your hand.
You some Hennessy.
And burn it in the backwood if you really want to get there.
See, Doobie be on them backwoods.
And when you get there,
what you want them to do?
sit in the soul.
Yeah. You know what? Hey, man. Hey, man. Will you niggas please sit the fuck down so we can get into this nigga shit?
Bring the beat back.
Thank you. What's happening, y'all? I want to thank y'all for tuning in to WYDB Radio.
CCC.
West Side Radio. We taking calls at 707-535-5555. We got your queen of stick finance, we answering telephones. The those you miss is all up in the studio. It's on. On behalf of the CCC and YBB, we want to welcome Mac Dre home. Young pimp dad Sugarwood, continuing the Mackin tradition from the crest side. Check it out.
I'm just a hog in this shit, pimpin' all in my veins. It's a shame that I serve y'all with explicit game. I bang on the track, spin it back and matter of fact, I'm just your average every day. Hustler from the track with my strap, keeping the stack back, slipping the grip, we jack that. Mandatory hogging for the green, so we at that. This Fetty related soldiers, hogging for the skrill. Gotta pay my dank bills, so I scheme to make meals. Hustling skills indeed, food that's what you need. I claim to be a G, but I ain't accumulating G's, so I choose to make my G's. That's priority. Heavy hustling, steady bubbling in these crest side streets. I'm live on these beats with capital hawk type spits, and these suckers mug me, cause your boy be on it. So you see, it's nothing but that hog up in me, from the perm to the tip of my teeth. Cause I'm nothing but a hog, just a hog, just a hog, just a hog. You see, I'm just a hog, I'm just a hog, I'm just a hog. And you see, I'm just a hog, I'm just a hog. Cause I'm nothing but a hog, just a hog, just a hog. It be that hog, dirty dog, pimpin' up in my blood from the country club, serving for the hustlers and thugs on the block, man. With rock cane up in clumps, with shrapnel spittin' things for the dump. You see, I be a G from the country club, fucking with hoggers thugs, so yo mean mugs, we so slugs, guaranteed to blow your skull out your beanie cap. Where you at? I'm all about that hogging on the track with my strap. Now look at here or over there, I put the Mac down in both gourds like a beer. Cause you see, them niggas don't show no love for shit. They ride through and get the blasting, emptying clips. So I recollect, check and spread the news. Catch them slipping, blow them niggas out they tennis shoes and they socks, trying to plot on G's under trees. But you know, them big dogs fuck over fleas. We call it filthy game, extreme clever king, chop chops and cabbie blocks, hogging for the green. You see, it's nothing but that hog up in me, from the perm to the tip of my teeth. Cause I'm nothing but a hog, just a hog, just a hog, just a hog. You see, I'm just a hog, I'm just a hog, I'm just a hog. And you see, I'm just a hog, I'm just a hog, I'm just a hog. Cause I'm nothing but a hog, just a hog, just a hog, just a hog. Now I be hogging indeed, fucking them up for show. I'm in the dough, YDB, letting them niggas know it's just that mini Mac mobster, sugar wolf pimp, serving them with that sharp stuff, ready to break a bitch when I serve. I'm working their nerves, beating them down to the curve with this pimpin' gifted game that your Cuddy Mac serve, leaving them stirred, broke down like pronouns and categories, fucking with hogs who gon' for show clown. It's mandatory, see my pimpin' is poison, so I hog like that and be a dog like that and stabbing all y'all cats. So when you see me hogging for mine, give your boy a player wave and the pimpin' go fine. Just a dose, serving that shit from coast to coast, representing fat checks and my crest side folks. So you see, it's nothing but that hog up in me, from the perm to the tip of my TOEs.
YBB Radio. Call it, you on the air.
What's happening, Sauce?
What's happening, baby boy?
I'm already loving this Sugar Wolf shit,
Oh,
man.
for
Y'all
sure.
done did it again. And man, ask Kyrie if he can switch them beats up. I love how y'all do that shit.
How's that?
Ah, there y'all go. There y'all go.
You know what? Don't stop, player. Don't stop. Look at here. We gotta
Right
get up
on,
out of here.
man. We gonna keep on listening.
Clock on the wall says we gotta go. Y'all keep on, stay tuned.
Banging.
I think up next we got the Mike D show, the real Mike D. Once again, I want to thank you for tuning in to WYBB Radio. On them wheels of Crest Side Steel, we got DJ Rail. And of course, all posy pimping and ghetto tactics and lyrical lacing provided by Sugarwood. Alright, pimp, go on to the next song.
Sugarwood, representing YBB, throwing up my 3 C's, side with my folks. And that's what we do.
I rise through the town, fucking with hoes, smoking bomb. Gotta have Hennessy to keep my game.
And that's what we do. And that's what we do.
Fucking with G's,
and that's what we do.
Young nigga, make them G's keep your game side.
Now I be 100% pure hoe, stuck in Doja Fall. It's your boy D.U.B, known for serving all of y'all. Player doses, keep my brain stuck in player focus. For show is pimping up in my blood, and you know this, man. Say what's your plan, fool? We stack G's, clown mutts and fleas, hounds from 3 C's. Now what's them 3 C's? Country club boy, crescent, oh yes. With this game I destroy. Max squad pimping, man is smacking flossing. Haters they be tripping, just cause we be tossing. Baby mama's wives, hoogies hooking in them clicks. Man, we passing through the crew, I thought you knew. Trick, so take it what it's worth, and holla if you feel. We spittin', hitting and dash as our mass folks feel. For sure though, pipperistic niggas in the photo, pippin' and dippin' up through the town, making that bitch your old hoe.
I rise through the town, fucking with hoes, smoking bomb. Gotta have Hennessy that keep my game.
And that's what we do. And that's what we do.
Fucking with G's,
and that's what we do.
Young nigga, make them G's keep your game side.
Now if I was a trick, I'd be frustrated. But since I holla pimp, I just be PH'd it. Cause daily they be tryna assault me, faulty hooker hoes and tricks. Need to back up off me, cause they all be gameless, brainless, you see. Now how they mackin' bees when they speak on these G's. Who pimpin' posts, catch hoes in D for show. We tip up on our toes, spit flows, so now you know so. Just recognize, make notes, head down the memo to this instrumental. I come dumb off my human endo and light it up. Pimp schemes for a trick, cause in Cali they rally round the G's in the dick. So like a pro, we pick through and flick through these groupies, thinking that they fatty but they should be. They asking who be the nigga with the pony. Tell about his mail shaking hookers cause they phony. And
I rise through the town, fucking with hoes, smoking bomb. Gotta have Hennessy that keep my game.
And that's what we do. And that's what we do.
Fucking with G's,
and that's what we do.
Young nigga, make them G's keep your game side.
Now gaze into the eyes of a player for real. Reputable type of player, hogging, dogging for skrill. Holla if you feel. We stick to the script, floss the town. Hound like a motherfucking pimp. I be Sugarwood pimp. Perm straight banging. Girlie ain't shit with them hoes keep singing. Chasing dang-a-lang ass, twisted brain bitch. I clown, you know for sure that's crass-eyed shit. So don't trip, this pimpin' it be in me, no envy. Baby, why you speaking in your track record dingy? Stingy with your bread, now you know you low budget. Get up out my grill, bitch, mob that bucket. I be chasing Skrilla, perkin' poppin' peas. Game tight Marvin, I'ma bump me a bee. Staying reputable, had to check that hoe, like for show. As I skitty skirt get gone, and I rise
through the town, fucking with hoes, smoking bomb.
on my
Hennessy
that heat, and that's what we do.
And that's what we do. Fucking with G's,
And that's what we do.
Young nigga, make them G's keep your
You know, I builds with the whole men. Man is smacking, flipping, holding and dogs. Playboy tactics, bubbling and balling. Keeping on my toes, never crawling. So you better ask somebody. Step through the door, you know. Fuck them up for sure.
Young nigga, make them G's keep your game.
That's what we do.
Young nigga, make them G's keep Young nigga, make
Be
them
getting
G's
bigger.
Young nigga, make them G's Young nigga, make them G's
And I love you know. Spanish smacking, pimping, hogging, and dogging. Playboy tactics, bubbling and ballin'. One of the sharpest motherfuckers you done saw in. This here game potent, pimpin' been installed in. Me for show, so your boy he be hogging. With that A1 wicked game, never crawlin'. No for tipping on my toes, never crawlin'. You know what's happening, nigga fuck walkin'. Handcuff, loved up, blades getting bossed in. Let's play a game, fool, your brain must be lost in. The love zone, fool, you gone on the toss in. But never me, boy, we pimp, destroy, nigga. I mac, crack, take hoes. Sugar wolf don't save hoes, I gather up stables. They asking who be the nigga with the pony. Tell about his meal, shaking hookers cause they phony.